Okay, this month, Rich, we're going to talk about what I noticed in one of my customers' basements along the wall, on the concrete wall in the basement. I see at the bottom, it's a white powdery substance. What is that?
Well, we see that all the time at A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Doesn't matter what town it's in, we seeing it. What it is it's called efflorescence. It's because there's moisture either coming through the concrete or moisture from the basement side causing moisture on that concrete, and it draws the salts and minerals to the surface of the concrete. Then it dries, and people think it's mold because it looks just like a crystallized quartz material or something. But it's efflorescence. You can take it off most of the time with a wire brush, and it's nothing to worry about.
Okay, great.